So is Snowden a hero or a villain, in your opinion, Counselor?
At this time, neither. He's a criminal. We'll see as time goes by, Bill, whether or not, once the program is looked at and evaluated and it's determined if it is, in fact, legal, whether he's a hero or a villain. He's not helping himself by revealing to the Chinese and the world that the United States was engaged in affirmative cyber operations against the Chinese. That puts him towards the villain category. But right now, he's an admitted leaker of classified information for which he had no authorization to do so, so he's a criminal.
All right, so you've just convicted him here on the factor that he's a criminal, and it's certainly the evidence is that he will be charged with a crime. I don't think there's any question about that. But yeah, that's interesting that you say that, because you yourself have defended whistleblowers in the past who did what Snowden says he's doing, noble things to try to improve the country. What's the difference between your clients and Snowden?
Sure. I have for 20 years been representing national security whistleblowers and those who are working covertly inside the intelligence community, the CIA, DIA, NSA, you name it. We follow the law. There are mechanisms and methods for which these individuals, when they have concerns of wrongdoing or misconduct of the U.S. government, that they can take. There's numerous steps that they can take, and I take my clients through each of those steps. Leaking to the media is the last resort of anyone. But there is a system in place that one has to follow before one decides to be a lawbreaker. And more importantly, that an individual does not make a determination for you, for me, as to what's in the best national security interest of the United States.
I agree with that 100%. I mean, Snowden should be charged with crimes. He should come back. Civil disobedience, okay. If you're a noble guy, put it in front of the jury, hire you to defend him, whatever it takes, and let's see what it is. But I think this Snowden's a left-wing guy. As you said, he's now telling the Chinese that the U.S. government's hacking him or whatever, and that's never a good sign.
That's a totally different situation from revealing alleged abuses of the NSA.
All right.